What you're about to do is a 20-minute practice called NSDR, non-sleep deep rest. Some people know it as yoga nidra, same thing with an older name. Now, two things before you drop in. Do not listen to this while driving. This will take you somewhere very close to sleep, so don't do it if you're in the car or at a train station or if you're operating anything. Do it somewhere you can lie down safely. And secondly, give it the full 20 minutes. There's no shortened version of this. The pauses are part of the practice. So if you've only got 10 minutes, come back another day when you've got 20. Somewhere you won't be interrupted. Phone on Do Not Disturb. A pillow if you've got one. I'll explain the rest once we're in there. I'll see you on the other side. Find somewhere you can lie down. Flat on your back if that works for you. A pillow under your head. And one under your knees if your lower back would like that. And if lying down isn't available right now, sitting is completely fine. What matters is that you are supported and you do not have to hold yourself up. Let your arms rest a little away from your body, palms facing up. Let your feet fall open. And when you are ready, let the eyes close. Before we begin, there's one thing worth knowing. This actually isn't a relaxation track, although you will probably feel relaxed. What we're actually doing is training something. Training the ability to feel your own body from the inside. Scientists call this interoception, and it is the foundation of everything else. Emotional regulation, knowing what you need, catching stress early rather than 3 weeks late. Most of us lost it somewhere. Living in your head is a survival skill, and it works right up until the day it stops working. So through this practice, when I name a part of your body, you're not imagining it, and you're not visualizing it. You are looking for what is actually there. And here's the most important instruction of the whole practice. Nothing is an answer. If you go to your left hand and find nothing at all, that is real information about you. You don't have to manufacture a sensation to have something to report. Just notice the nothing and move on. Stay awake if you can, and if you drift off, that is fine too. Your body took what it needed. Bring your attention to your breath. Do not change it yet, just find it. Where do you notice it most? Maybe the nostrils, the back of the throat, the chest, the belly. Now let the exhale get a little longer than the inhale. Breathing in through the nose and out slowly through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and a long, slow release. Once more, and then let the breath find its own rhythm. Long, slow release. Now, let the breath go entirely. Your body knows how to do it on its own. Now, a short sentence, an intention. Keep it simple, keep it present tense, and keep it about your body rather than your life. Something like, I am learning to feel, or my body is safe, or I am here. Choose yours now. Say it silently 3 times and let it settle somewhere low in your body. We will come back to it at the end. You can let it go for now. Now, bring your attention to your right hand, the right thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, the palm of the right hand, the back of the right hand, and now the whole right hand at once. Just notice what is there. Warm, cool, heavy, light. Maybe there's tingling or pulsing or nothing at all. The right wrist, the forearm, the elbow, the upper arm, the right shoulder. Now the left hand, the left thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, the palm of the left hand, the back of the left hand, the whole left hand now. And notice whether it feels the same as the right or different. The left wrist, the forearm, the elbow, the upper arm, the left shoulder, now the right leg, the right big toe, the other toes, the sole of the right foot, the heel, the ankle, the shin, the calf, the knee, the thigh, the right hip, now the left leg, the left big toe, the other toes, the sole of the left, the sole of the left foot, the heel, the ankle, the shin, the calf, the knee, the thigh, the left hip, now the back of the body where it meets the floor, starting with the lower back, the middle back, between the shoulder blades, now the front, the belly, notice it rise and fall, the chest, and the heart, whatever is there or is not there. The throat, notice whether it is open or tight. A lot of us hold a great deal here. Now the face, starting with the jaw. Let it be heavy. Let the teeth come apart. The tongue resting. the lips, the cheeks, behind the eyes.